Nebraska won't stop you from running your business the wrong way. They'll let everything look fine until fixing it costs you far more than forming the LLC ever did. That's the quiet risk most people never see coming. I'm Patrick from BizBuilders, and if you're planning to start an LLC in Nebraska in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this is something you need to understand before you file. Because Nebraska is not a loud state when it comes to business rules. It doesn't overwhelm you with warnings. It doesn't constantly remind you what's next. And that silence is exactly what causes problems later. Why Nebraska feels safe at first. On paper, Nebraska looks reasonable. The filing process is straightforward. The fees aren't outrageous. The Secretary of State system works. Approval usually comes back clean. So most founders think, okay, that was easy. I'm good. That's where the risk starts. Nebraska is a state where approval does not equal readiness, and the consequences don't show up immediately. How people get caught off guard in Nebraska. I've seen this pattern again and again. Someone forms a Nebraska LLC. Everything is approved. They start operating. Then, months later, one of these shows up. Tax registration issues, banking delays, missed biennial filings, loss of good standing without realizing it. Problems proving the LLC is properly maintained. And the frustrating part? None of it feels like a mistake at first. Nebraska doesn't flag you loudly. It lets problems sit quietly until you're forced to deal with them under pressure. What you actually need to do in Nebraska, not just file. Here's the real process, start to finish. First, choose your business name. Nebraska has specific naming rules and restricted terms. Always have a backup ready. Second, appoint a registered agent with a physical Nebraska address. This is required. P.O. boxes don't count, and outdated agent info causes problems later. Third, file your certificate of organization with the Nebraska Secretary of State. This legally creates your LLC, but it does not finish the setup. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. You'll need this for banking, payroll, and taxes. Fifth, register for Nebraska state taxes if applicable. This step is often delayed, and that delay is where penalties and confusion come from later. Sixth, understand Nebraska's biennial report requirement. Nebraska does not require an annual report every year. It requires a biennial report. That difference causes people to forget it entirely. Miss it, and your LLC can fall out of good standing quietly. And seventh, open a business bank account. This protects your liability shield and keeps your finances clean. Nebraska expects owners to be proactive, not reactive. The quiet risk this title is about. Here's the real risk with Nebraska. It doesn't punish ignorance immediately. It punishes delay and assumption. You assume no reminders are coming. You assume no news is good news. You assume you'll fix it later, and later is always more expensive. By the time most founders realize something's wrong, they're already operating, which makes fixing compliance issues slower, riskier, and more stressful. Why professional help makes sense in Nebraska. That's exactly why I recommend Taylor Brands for Nebraska. Not because Nebraska is difficult, but because Nebraska is quiet. They handle Nebraska registered agent setup, certificate of organization filing, EIN, operating agreement, guidance on Nebraska tax registration, biennial report reminders, help opening your business bank account. Most importantly, they help you stay ahead of the things Nebraska won't remind you about. Cost. Why this is a smart move. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Nebraska's required state filing fees. That's the same cost as doing it yourself, but without discovering the quiet risks the hard way. Same money, better control. Final thought. Nebraska isn't risky because it's complicated. It's risky because it stays silent while problems build. If you're going to form a Nebraska LLC, do it once and do it right. Use the link in the description, get your Nebraska LLC set up properly from day one, and keep your business moving forward without invisible setbacks. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more real, no-fluff business advice, and I'll see you in the next video.